In view of the above, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent counsel to inquire into the matter of suffering of damage by the aforesaid petitions numbers 1, 2, 5, 9, and 11. And if such damage is found to have been suffered, the council will request the state government for allotment of the funds, required funds, so as to make the compensation to the petitioners named above, if they have indeed suffered any damage because of the work in question. Aforesaid exercise is to be carried out within an outer limit of 4 months.
Obliged, Mr.
Yes, Lordship, I beg your permission for listing of a case next week, Lordship, because Lordship interim order has been obtained and civil case is pending between the parties, and they have obtained an interim order from this court regarding.
File an application for vacating.
Lordship, we have filed.
You have filed.
Lordship.
IA has been filed. Okay, next Wednesday.
Blessed.
May I please, Your Lordship, beg to mention for listing of one motion matter on Monday, Milo.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. Matter may be passable for the day, my lord. My senior is Samuel.
Who is your senior?
Mr. Anzaman.
On a request made on behalf of the, do you have informed the PNRD? On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned by a week. 15, yes.
May I please, I beg to mention for listing an admission matter, my lord, on next week, my lord.
Admission matter for what?
My lord, extension of NOC, my lord, regarding.
What is the urgency?
Sale permission.
Urgency?
My lord, extension of.
Urgency for out of turn listing, it has to be urgent. Sorry, next.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 of today's list.
Yes.
Because I was supposed to file a rejoinder. I need some more time, my lords. Can I be granted 3 weeks more time, my lords, to file the
Other
rejoinder?
side,
Yes, I have informed.
on a request made on behalf of the petitioner, 3 weeks further time is granted to file rejoinder affidavit.
There is an interim, my lords.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, Mr.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, beg to mention item 18th and 19th of the list, my lord.
Yes.
In item number 18, my lord, we have formally entered appearance. In item number 19, my lord, I'm filing my affidavit in opposition today and filing my appearance, my lord, in it. My lord, may kindly take
Inform
it
the
up
other side.
next week. Yes, my
Lordship, I am
lord.
for
Respondent 5.
Okay,
I am for respondent number 6, my lord.
okay.
In item
They'll-
number 18, my lord, we have filed our affidavit. 19, my lord, we are going to file
Okay.
for the state.
A
Deputy Commissioner.
request has been made by the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 in WPC 4962 for allowing time to file affidavit in opposition. He has also informed that in WPC 4617 of 2025, instructions have been given to appear and the necessary wakalatnama would be filed shortly. Full stop. In view of the above, the matters are adjourned by 3 weeks,
Lordship can.
by
be-
which time
Lordship,
further
they-
pleadings can be exchanged.
Lordship, they have agreed, Lordship can be on 18.
List on request, list on today's,
18th, my lord.
today's what? 18th.
Yes. Lordship.
Can you file before 18th?
No, my lord. 18, there's some difficulty on the part of the senior counsel.
24th,
24th, my lord.
24th.
Lordship, I have been informed.
My
Lordship,
lord,
Lordship,
26th,
Council,
if I may play, my lord. 26th.
26.
26?
Lordship, I have been informed that the Lanet Senior Counsel K. N. Chaudhary, he will be not available, Lordship.
Tell us the date of your consensus.
Lordship, he
Well,
agreed
well-
on 12, my Lordship.
My lord, that 12th we are still agreeable.
Okay, 12.
Yes.
12, today's what?
My lord,
7th.
that would
But
be-
what about for further pleadings? Mr.
Lordship,
Nath
he
says
is
it
going to file today.
today.
Our
Yes.
affidavit is ready.
And your affidavit will be
Yes,
filed
it
before
will.
that.
But in item number 19, I'm filing it today. On
Yes.
for the item number 18, my lord, that I'll not be sure, my lord. I'll be
Okay,
able to file on
but
Wednesday.
2 weeks now, agote. Please for time boli ko, huh? As requested by the council, as requested by the council for the parties, list on 12,
Yes, obvious.
Obliged.
12, 11. Yes.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm praying for listing in IA in connection with review petition on Monday.
IA for
IA for review, in connection with review petition,
correction of review petition.
in connection.
IA for what?
IA for stay the election proceeding, which was may be conducted by the.
When did you file the IA?
Lordship,
Has it been listed earlier?
Yes.
Then what is the urgency?
Lordship, during the pendency of the petition, respondent authority preparing for conduct election. That's all, Lordship.
You file another IA. Sorry, not an out of turn listing. Yes.
Lordship, we have newly filed IA.
When have you filed? You said it already
Yesterday,
listed.
Lordship.
Yesterday you have filed.
Yes, Lordship.
If it's filed yesterday, okay, Wednesday next.
Monday, Lordship.
Huh?
Monday.
Monday.
Yes.
Has it been numbered?
Yes, Lordship.
Numbered. What is the number?
Number is 14171.
That is not the number. That is the serial number.
Serial number, Lordship.
Okay, you'll try on
But-
Monday.
Monday.
Monday it may not be possible. Kali khula ase niki? Pehले bondo. Not be
Who is
possible.
there, Lordship?
Huh?
Who is there?
Okay, try on Tuesday.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, lordship.
Yes.
Kindly matter may be adjourned for 1 week, lordship. Mr. R. Dhor has some personal difficulty, lordship.
Revenue? Informed. Okay. On a request made on behalf of
We listed after 1 week, Lordship.
Writ appeal is pending.
Today,
on a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks.
Lordship, another prayer for listing, lordship. Next week, any date, non-payment of SC GDAD amount in connection of lordship equity.
For admission.
For admission, lordship.
Admission, it has to be urgent.
Lordship, next week, any date,
Admission or orders, it has to be urgent.
admission.
Sorry, not out of turn listing by mention memo. Okay, next.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I am alleging disobedience of direction of this court for considering my application for refund of registration fees, excess registration fees charged. In spite of follow-up, I am not getting any results, Lordship. Short notice may be issued, Lordship.
Where is your representation?
My representation is at page number, Lordship, 16.
16. Heard 3 D. Saraf Learned Counsel for the petitioners who by means of this application has alleged willful and deliberate disobedience of the order dated 9/4/2025 passed in WPC 1297 of 2025. The Learned Counsel has also referred to the representation dated 9/6/2025 submitted to the respondent requesting for compliance. Full stop para. That notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Obliged, Lordship.
Thank you.
The last date instructions were solved.
Lordship, we are yet to receive instruction, I know that paper from the.
We will issue notice here. Short notice, make it returnable. Heard 3 R. Censure Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-completion of an application filed by the petitioner for settlement of land under Mission Vasundhara 2.0.
May I, my lord?
No, it's not, that is not the, by something,
I'm only aggrieved by the marking of the land as area under.
who is aggrieved? Has the proceeding started?
I have no.
The grievance of the petitioner is in connection with a notice dated 26/6/2025 issued by the respondent number 5, whereby information has been given regarding a complaint made against them pertaining to encroachment of public religious place. Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Let notice be issued So what is your grievance?
My lord, the area has already been settled with me, my lord. I have
So
been,
what is the impugned action?
my lord, they have marked it as an area under dispute. They are not allowing me to enter my own house, my lord. That is the problem. And they have not given me any.
It has
order-
also
notice
been,
the order.
it has also been contended that the petitioner is not allowed to enter the area which was earlier allotted to him.
Yes.
Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Revenue, G Hazarika 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. And Mr. Medhi as assisting Sri Vijay Talukdar for 3, 4 and 5. Extra copies. During extra copies, okay?
We have already
6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioners are the permanent resident of Valavita village under the Borpeta district. They are the periodic patadar of their land situated in the bank of river Beki, my lord. Now suddenly, my lord, we have started extracting some unscrupulous persons, my lord, unauthorizedly started extracting sand and silt from the river bed as well as from their patta land also. So we have given various representation, but no action has been taken so far, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, government has taken time to get instruction.
Possibly forest department or us.
We have given several representation to deputy commissioner as well as to the forest department. But nobody has.
Third.
taken action.
3, A Bhattacharjee, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. As per the facts projected, the petitioners are the periodic patadar of land situated in the bank of river Beki in the district of Borpeta. Full stop. The petitioners are aggrieved by excavation of sand from the land by unauthorized means. Full stop. Para. Para. The representations of the petitioners have also not been considered, and therefore the present application has been filed. Para. That notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. Medhi for assisting, huh? So addition for 1, 1, 3 and 4. Then revenue, G Hazarika for 2, 5 and 6 by forest department. Five CGC, any CGC, State Environment Impact Assessment Authority. Who takes notice? Pollution control or who? No, care of. No, care of, it may be in the same building. But who appears? Is there any CGC? Central Government Council? Who's there in the court? RKD Chaudhary is there? RKD Chaudhary, yeah? Deputy GA for 5 and I bought her for 6 extra copies within 2 working days.
Obliged.
May I please, lordship. This is the matter relating to lordship, the freezing of bank account of the petitioner due to false allegation, lordship. Freezing of bank account of the petitioner due to false allegation, lordship. The petitioner number 1 and 2 are the authorized signatory of Urmila International Service Private Limited,
Okay.
lordship.
Heard Sri G.G. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by freezing of their bank account. Full stop. It is submitted that the grounds of such freezing are wholly erroneous and the petitioners are not connected with any fraudulent activities.
Yes.
Let notice be issued, returnable by Why, all of you, oh, you are all members of the petition number one or what?
Yes, Lordship.
Let notice be issued returnable by? Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Union of India. RKD Chaudhary. 1. India Cybercrime Coordination Center, Ministry of Home Affairs 2, I think. 1, 2. DGP, Mr. Medhi, for 3. 3. 3. Extra copies, huh? Service of notice upon the respond numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. By registered post to ready. Step leading to working this.
Lordship, interim pay amendment allow, Lordship. Lordship, interim pay amendment allow. Lordship, actually, Lordship,
Interim, what kind of interim at this stage?
Lordship, entire account is whole, Lordship. I have not
The prayer for interim relief would be considered on the returnable date. Let the matter be list. The returnable date is fixed on 4 weeks. 6 weeks. As you hold 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 weeks. 5 weeks. 12th. 12th. 12.
May I please your lordship, the matter pertains to freezing of an account lordship by the respondent authorities. The petitioner is running grocery shop lordship and he is maintaining a saving account in the Guwahati Airport branch lordship. As per the bank, authority.
Let us seek their response. Heard, Miss S. Yasmin,
Yes, lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the action of freezing of his bank account number so and so, Sailaba, maintained in the, what is the branch?
Guwahati Airport branch lordship.
Guwahati Airport branch, as SBI Guwahati Airport branch. The petitioner has obtained information that there are allegations of fraudulent transaction of meager amount of two meager amounts, namely 40 rupees and 200 rupees. Full stop. How much amount your account is holding now?
6,01,925.
Let notice be issued, returnable on 12th.
Lordship, one small prayer, lordship. I may be allowed to operate my account, lordship. The amount
No. This amount is only maybe we do not know what is going on. Without hearing them, we are not. 6 weeks. 12. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days. The prayer for interim relief would be considered on the returnable date.
much obliged.
Lordship. The time part assessment of under section 73 of GST Act. There is a covered matter.
Lordship.
Is it covered?
Yes. Lordship, similar matters are pending, Lordship.
Pending.
Lord.
Gogoi says it's covered.
Lord,
Read appeal is pending, but no, there is no stay. Also, there is a SRP file in the Supreme Court.
Lord, it's similar notification 56, Lord.
Now, if you are in a consensus, then we'll dispose of this matter. Okay, we'll make the corrections, we'll dispose this of. Okay.
In other cases, Lordship.
But we will record your prayer at a mother Lihiba. Sri Chetia, the Learned Counsel, Standing Council has however informed that there are earlier decisions on this issue, the same are subject matters of appeal before the division bench, which are pending.
Lordship. Lordship.
Dispose of it. And নাম to লিখিবে এখন।
Lordship, in other cases, Lordship, notice was issued, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, the main case, Lordship, that was disposed of, appeal is pending. Subsequently, several writ petitions filed.
then we'll issue notice.
Lordship.
Why should we dispose it of?
Lordship.
Do you have an order of issuance of notice?
Lordship.
Then we'll issue notice. Then don't say that. Third, Sri S.R. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner, who has approved this actually, petitioner, who has approved this court against a demand cum show cause notice dated 29/5/2024, as well as the order in original dated 28/8/2024, passed by the respondent number 5, full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that its reply to the show cause notice was not considered, was not even considered. Full stop. It has been averred that the impugned order has been passed beyond the period prescribed under section 73 within bracket 10 of the CGST Act 2017. Full stop. Para. Gogoi, the Learned Counsel, has also informed that a similar issue has already been decided by this court. Has already been decided in favor of the assessee by this court. Para. Sri S. Chetia, the Learned Senior Standing Counsel
Lordship.
of CGST,
Lordship.
has however informed that the decision which has been referred to by the petitioner is presently the subject matter of challenge in a writ appeal. Writ appeal and in subsequent cases, notice has been issued.
Lordship.
In view of the above, that notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. You will take for one also, Mr. Chetia?
For 2 to 5, Lordship.
One, Union of India, RKD Chaudhary, yes, CGSC, Deputy SDA. 1, 225, S. Chetia, Senior Standing Counsel, extra copies. Then no possibility will be taken. Sri Gogoi, the Learned Counsel, prays for an interim order. Para, after considering the facts and circumstances, it is directed, but you have come to the court very late. Not covered. How, after how many months you have approached this court? What is the date of the impugned order?
Order, Lordship.
It's 28/8/2024.
28/8/2024, we're in 2025, more than a year.
There is the notification was set aside by the
You
court.
have to come to the export, you come after a year and pray for a interim order. What is your explanation? The prayer for interim order would be considered on the returnable date.
Lordship. Oblige.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, in action of respondent number 2, my lord, regarding issuance of patta in respect of the petitioners, my lord. That land is, my lord, all tenancy, my lord.
You submit a writ petition before the SDO.
My lord.
You submit a writ petition before the SDO.
No, my lord, typo, that is mistake, my lord.
Who will correct the mistake? Writ petitions are entertained by SDOs.
No, my lord, that is representation, my lord.
Who will correct the mistakes?
That, what is our?
Don't present petitions in this manner. If you make a mistake in the synopsis, what is there to be looked
My
into?
lord, that mistake only, my lord, synopsis, my lord, I have seen, my lord, that is.
Be careful, madam.
My
We are
lord.
not going to entertain
I'm
this kind
sorry,
of
my lord.
things. Heard Miss Al Wazida, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, who are aggrieved by the inaction on the part of the authorities to grant pattas to the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners claim that they are the legal heirs of one Nibhas Chakraborty, who was a tenant of the original Jamindars. And subsequently, the Zamindars and their rights have accrued after promulgation of the Jamindari Abolition Act 1951. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Revenue Department, PR Mohanto, one only, madam. On Medhi resisting. Budget Talukdars. Addition Srinagar for 2, 3, and 4. Extra copies. Yes.
My lord, if my lord, permission to correct this word, my lord, representation. My lord.
You cannot do it like this. To file an application.
Oblige.
Yes, next.
Yeah, please, Your Lord. Well, this petition pertaining to our prayer before the Deputy Commissioner for reassessment of the compensation in connection with the acquiring of our tea garden, Deep Brother and Julia Bagisa, situated in the district of Shunitpur. My lord, what happened? As per the Land Acquisition Act, case 26/88/2023, our that entire garden has been taken away. But my lord, the assessment they have made, as per the compensation, fair compensation rules, my lord, the stipulated multiplier should be 1.4 to 1.6 based on the location of the garden. But in our case, only one has been taken into consideration as a multiplier. So we have made a representation of the Deputy 24th of August 2024. Till date, nothing has been done. That's why we are before.
You have to approach under 64.
Yes,
How can you come to a writ court?
my lord.
If it's the Act of 2013, Section 64 gives you the remedy. Whom did you file the application? Before whom?
Before the district commissioner for reassessment of the compensation Assam Mala project.
Now you have to make an application for reference. If it is under the 2013 Act, where is your application? Let us see.
Page 50.
15.
50. 50, my lord. We pray for revised compensation, my lord. Land measuring 326.
See, if you are aggrieved by the adequacy or sufficiency, you have to make a reference. Apply for a reference before the district, before the collector. He'll make a reference under Section 64. There is no question of any reassessment. Reassessment will be done by the court on your evidence. This is not going to give you any relief, Mr. Biswas.
Then, my lord, we'll
Take instructions. And I think it's barred by time now.
we have filed in 2024, my lord.
That is not an application under 64. Can you take up
Of course, that's true. That is only mere reference.
64, or which is perimeter with Section 18 of the earlier Act?
Yes.
There's a time limit. You need to apply in time.
Now also you go, my lord, then it will be again says that it is barred by limitation.
Obviously, it's barred, and you have come to this court after a year. This application of yours is of August 2024. Then futile exercise will be doing in this court. Heard Sri S.C. Biswas, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who is aggrieved by inaction of the Deputy Commissioner Sonitpur.
District commission.
District Commissioner Sonitpur. If you have written Deputy Commissioner, we'll say Deputy Commissioner. Deputy Commissioner Sonitpur, within bracket, presently District Commissioner. In the representation dated 6/8/2024, made by the petitioner, praying for reassessment of the compensation. Full stop. It, however, appears that the acquisition has been done under the So and So Act of 2013, fair compensation, which itself provides for a reference to be made in accordance with law. Para, be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by. Who are the respondents?
There are only 4%, but I have 2, 3 and 4. Apne manan fine.
By 4 weeks. PWD, madam.
Yes.
S. Sharma, 1.
1 and 5.
Responding.
1, I think.
One, yes.
1 and 5.
1 and
1 and 5. And 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
And Goswami State Council, extra copies. You take instructions from your client.
Sure.
And you also take instructions. We
Lots.
may direct this to be regarded as a reference.
Lots.
It is only a matter of referring to the court.
This is
Then
the
the
collection.
burden will upon him to
Yes,
prove.
madam. Extra copy. Sure. Extra copy. What are you?
Maybe.
Yes.
Petitioner, my lord, applied for NOC to sell a plot of land to his one of the son, my lord. But due to objection filed by other 2 sons, my lord, the application has been rejected, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly see, my lord,
Now,
that cannot be rejected, my lord. Petitioner, birthright property is not there in the Mohammedan law, my lord.
so you have to approach the civil court. How will a writ court decide?
No, son cannot, my lord.
It's
Make an
a
objection, my
dispute between you and your son.
There is no dispute, my lord. Kindly see, my
The
lord.
dispute has been raised by the son. For you, it's not a non-dispute.
Their
For-
claim is that they are entitled, my lord. But Latmandal
So if
submitted.
there is no
report-
dispute, Mr. Ahmed, withdraw this petition. There is no dispute. We'll record there is no dispute. Why have you come to the court?
But because my application has been rejected, my lord.
So that is the dispute. Why are you saying there is no dispute?
Regarding entitlement, my lord, regarding my lord.
So these have to be proved in the court. Your entitlement, their entitlement. They have raised an objection. We cannot decide an inter-se dispute between 2 parties.
Under the law, my lord, they have no right, my lord.
So what is your problem in establishing this in the civil court?
That is true, my lord.
How
but
do you come to a writ court for a dispute of this nature?
Petitioner is a cancer patient, my lord. He requires money, my lord.
Whether your son will have a right title interest, this have to be proved in the court, civil court.
Under chapter 52, my lord, of the Mohammedan law, it is clear, my lord.
This is a dispute between you and the respondent numbers 5 and 6. How do you entertain a writ petition?
And there is a judgment of the Delhi High Court also, my lord, that son has no right of.
So this
Others
can,
property,
this will support your case in a civil court. Let us see the judgment in what proceeding.
Yes, I have annexed, I have
Page.
quoted, my lord, I have quoted, my lord, page 12, my lord.
Page 12.
Yes. And I have also having a copy, my lord.
Page 12. Where is the,
I have a copy, my lord.
this is an RSA,
Yes, RSA, but
RSA.
court held that man.
This is a writ court. Why don't you understand? We are not exercising civil jurisdiction.
It is true, my lord.
Had we been a civil court, either in a revisional jurisdiction or appellate jurisdiction, matter would have been different. Writ court will not be able to. It's a dispute between you and the private respondents. You may be having a good case in law, but not in a writ court.
Madam, we taken up next week, I will take the instruction, my lord.
Third, 3 H.R. Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petition, as well as 3 N. Goswami Learned State Counsel for the issue involved. Prima facie appears to be a private dispute between the petitioner and the respondent numbers 5 and 6. Full stop. Para. 3 Ahmed, the Learned Counsel, page 4. Has relied upon a decision of the Honorable Delhi High Court, which however appears to be passed in a regular second appeal, whereas the present application has been made by invoking the writ jurisdiction. Para. The Learned Counsel at this stage prays for some time to update instructions in this case. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Mr. Chetri, what is this?
Here, The petitioner submitted a application, my lord,
For,
land demarcation, my lord.
yes.
And of course, in this same issue, lordship already decided the matter.
Hmm.
I have enclosed this lordship's order. And my lord, here, that application lordship will find at page 32, my lord. The vernacular at page 33, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the notice were issued, my lord. Lordship next to page 34, my lord.
Yes.
Page 34 and 35, my lord. 36, my lord. Two notices were issued to the respective pattadas, my lord, and neighbors. And out of this, my lord, only one person has turned up, my lord, one Siddhartha Hazarika. He has made a complaint, my lord, some objection, my lord.
Well, we pass an order under the same order.
Yes.
He approached the authority under Assam Right to Public Service Act.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Goswami and Madam,
Yes.
want to? Page 43.
Yes, I've seen it, sir.
You make the corrections, we'll dispose of.
Lordship.
Okay? Make the corrections, okay? Mr. Chetri,
Lordship.
together you give it to the court master. We'll
Yes.
dispose of in the same terms. But there should not be any factual error.
Lordship.
Dispose of. Page 43, 44.
It is disposable, Lord.
কার কানে কোন বের হবে চাইলো 12 বিচিত্রি আর ফলে এন গোস্বামী পিআর মাউন্ট লিখিত বিচিত্রি এন মাউন্ট এন গোস্বামী পিআর মাউন্ট yes Mr. Padgiri.
By this revision, I have challenged the minutes of the subdivisional layer advisory committee, my lord. Whereby my lord allotted the land to the respondent number 6 to respondent number 17.
Who are you?
I am my lord, initially my lord, under DAG number 298, my lord, our grandfather has been my lord 6 biga 1 quota 18 lessa possessing my lord since my lord 17 years, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, in the year 2004, my lord, after abolition of the RIT, my lord, then my lord, the government.
But the minutes are of 2023.
23, my lord.
You have come to
Recently,
the
I
court
have
in
noted, my
25.
lord, and thereafter, my lord, I have
Third, Sri A.R.
representation, my lord.
Padgiri, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the minutes of a meeting dated 10/5/2023 of the Subdivisional Land Advisory Committee Dhubri, whereby certain lands over which the petitioner claims to have right title and interest have been allotted to the private respondents. The petitioners have contended that such decision came to be known subsequently, whereafter a representation has been filed on 11/8/2025, which has not been acted upon. Para, that notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. 3, revenue, Madam Pierre Monto, 1 and 2.
That's been for
3, 4, 5,
3 and 4.
3, 4, 5, Mr. Goswami,
Lots of 3 for
3, 4, 5, Goswami, then 6, 7, 8 to what? 6 to 17, huh? 6, that's 17. Registered post steps it into working this.
I have an interim, my lord, because my lord already handed over the private respondent, my lord,
Hmm.
and going to construct the under, my lord, Rozgar Jojana scheme, my lord.
You come to the court after so many years and you pray for an interim, sorry.
The interim will be considered in next step.
No, not. If you know that the land has been taken over by somebody, you come to the court after 3 years and you pray for an interim, sorry.
All right.
Okay. Other matters may not be possible after the motion unless it is very urgent, but there are not many matters. Let us see. Yes, Punjab National Bank. Where have you come?
Your Lordship, this writ is filed against the deemed defaulter notice dated 14/8/2025, Annexure 7 to the writ petition.
You challenge in the pending writ petition 4673. You are a party there.
No, I have not challenged that one.
No,
I have.
you fight out in 4673. The issue is pending before this court.
Yes, sir, that is
You
pending.
can
But,
entertain another writ petition.
but here, my lord, they have declared me the deemed defaulter.
Let us see 4/8/2025 order.
Page 32.
4/8/2025 is already the subject matter of challenge.
Yes,
Are
madam.
you parties there?
I am party there, but there the challenge is something different. There they have challenged,
Let us see the order. Page
page 32.
32.
32.
Yes, please.
And relevant line is the last one. And now I, Sri S. Saha, Assistant PF Commissioner, Compliance and Recovery, having been empowered as per provision contained under section 8F 3X, declared Sri Tapas Banerjee, Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank, Silchar branch as deemed defaulter, with direction to remit the entire amount of rupees 45 lakhs 73,965.
But this is against a particular individual.
But he is the indicated only because he is Chief Manager of Punjab National Bank.
He has not come before this court.
No, he has come. This petition number 2 is he. His petition number 2.
Well, you're for whom?
Your Lordship, I am for respondent number 2.
Who's two?
Respondent number 2 is
He has the
Assistant Provident
artist,
Fund Commissioner.
Huh?
Assistant
Yeah,
Provident Fund Commissioner.
Okay.
Employees no
Third,
profit.
3A Parviz Learned Counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by a notice under section 8F within bracket 3 within bracket 10 capital A Roman 10 of the EPF and MP Act 1952. Yes, page 29. Dated
14.
no, where is that notice?
Page 32, your Lordship.
Uh,
And date is on the page 33.
No, notice under so and so, dated 14/8/2025, whereby the petition number 2 has been declared as deemed defaulter. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And with certain consequential direction for remission of the amount involved. Para? It is the contention of the petitioners that the conclusion arrived is wholly erroneous and not sustainable in law. Full stop. But Borail has already filed. Who has filed for Borail?
Mr.
The learned counsel has also submitted
I
that the
already
said,
sub notice to
that
him.
the said order, said notice is also the subject matter of challenge in another writ petition, namely WPC 4673.
Your Lordship, this notice is not under challenge. There the notice that is 4/8.
That another notice dated 4/8/2025
Yes, ma'am.
is the subject matter of challenge in order that in WPC 4673 of 2025. Para, let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Union of India, RKD Chaudhary, 1, Deputy SGA. Then what is your name?
BU Laskar.
On behalf of
behalf of D Nandi.
Dean B. Laskar, Learned Counsel appearing on instruction of 3. D. Nandi
D Nandi.
appears,
Your Lordship.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent number
We'll
2.
file the wakalatnama by today.
Accepts notice on behalf of petition number 2 and has submitted that he has instructions. Now they have been instructed to appear and accept notice on behalf of respondent number 2 and has undertaken to file the wakalatnama within how many days?
Today. we'll file.
Today?
Yes.
By tomorrow, within 2 days. Full stop. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon respondent number 3 by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Your Lordship, please to grant interim protection.
What kind of interim?
Because he is directed to pay the.
3. Pervase the learned counsel for the petitioners pray for an interim order. Prays for an interim order. Thereafter, considering the facts and circumstances, it is directed that till the returnable date, no coercive action be taken towards recovery of the amount in question as indicated in the impugned notice. Returnable date कर दो. Returnable date ऊपर today is 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4. Returnable on 3rd of December.
May I please, Your Lordship, sir? I'm appearing in item number 14.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
The petitioner in this matter had filed another writ petition bearing writ petition 2633 of 2025. I have given the details in the list of dates and events last clause, para 6. In that notice of motion is issued, parties are identical and similar controversy is involved. My learned friend Mr. Akhirul is there. He can hand over the order passed by the coordinate
that?
bench in the same matter.
There is
Mr.
nobody
Akhirul.
in the court. Yes, what is it?
This matter pertains to an illegal activity by the respondents, respondent number 5, wherein the vehicle is being sought to be forcibly recovered. Whereas the Reserve Bank of India has specifically issued a guideline to this effect on 1st of July 2015, which is in the shape of notification issued under Reserve Bank of India Act.
What is the
which
violation of
mandates-
the notification? What kind of violation?
The violation is that my vehicle is being repeatedly stopped and is sought to be recovered by the recovery agents.
Which
And
of
there
the
is a-
conditions, which of the conditions have been violated?
The conditions which are sought to be violated is, Lords may kindly see the notification which I have appended along with my petition. That
Yes.
notification is annexure P5 and Lords may kindly see the notification is annexure P3.
Page?
Yes, Your Lordships. This is annexure P4, page 42.
42,
The
yes.
notification by Reserve Bank of India. And then, my Lord, may kindly further see guidelines on fair practices code, loan appraisal.
Yes.
That's page 47, the general clauses.
47.
47, Your Lordships.
Yes.
It says the general clause, clause 5, clause 4A. Non-banking financial corporations, that is respondent number 6 in this case, should refrain from interference in the affairs of the borrowers except for the purpose provided in the terms and conditions. And then Lord, it says in the matter
What is
of
the
recovery.
violation? What is your case?
My case is, I have taken a loan. If Lord may
No,
kindly see.
that we have understood. Where
Yes.
have you stated regarding the violation?
I have stated so with regard to the violation in para 4 onwards in my petition. Para 5, page 11, that the petitioner was making every effort to repay
Para
the
5,
loan
page
account.
11, page 6.
Page 11, Your Lordships. Para 5 at page 11.
It's not page 11, it's page 6.
Please, I'm so sorry, the paging might have later on altered. It says that the petitioner was making
No,
every
where is
effort.
where is the violation? This is your intention to make the repayment. What is the
Milord,
violation?
subsequently, they say that the way and the modus operandi deploying which financial institutions recover the vehicle reflects the lawlessness prevalent across the state. The financial institutions further give the number of the
These are
vehicle
all
to the
general
recovery agent.
statements, Mr. Counsel. Give us a statement which has happened with you.
Milord, I can file a specific affidavit to that effect.
Oh, you
They
need
have
to.
tried.
We cannot act on a general what they need to do, what they have not
I'll-
done. What
I'll
they have
file a
done with
specific-
you.
Milord, what they have done is they have stopped my vehicle twice
Where
over.
is it? Where are those statements?
Milord, I can file a specific affidavit to that effect.
That is the main thing you need to file before us. There is not
Milord,
even a single statement what has happened to you.
Milord,
You
I'll
said
file
that
a
Right
specific
Standard 21
affidavit
has
to
been
that effect.
violated. But which act?
Milord, what they have done is the number of my vehicle has been handed over to various recovery agents across the state.
Where are those statements?
Milord, now what exactly happens is when a number is handed, it's an
Mr.
informal
Counsel, where are
act.
those statements? Take us to the pleadings in the writ petition.
Milord, I'll file a specific affidavit to that effect.
This is not how you present a writ petition. You
Please,
don't
Lord.
present a writ petition with this kind of vague prayers.
Milord, I'll
Either
file
you
a,
withdraw and file another, or we're not going to entertain this petition like this.
Milord, I'll file a better one with better particulars.
Okay, you grant liberty to file an additional affidavit.
Please, Your Lordships.
What is your name?
I'm Karan Bharatwaj for petitioner, Your Lordships.
Heard Sri K. Bharadwaj, learned counsel for the petitioner appearing online. Also heard Sri N. Goswami, learned state counsel. Are you appearing?
1 to 40.
As a state counsel, full stop. Though the advance of the petitioner is in connection with the modus operandi adopted by the respondent bank towards realization, public recovery of the loan for purchase of a vehicle, the petition is found to be lacking in necessary particulars, full stop. The learned counsel, however, prays for and is granted a week's time or 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Lord, may
2
say.
weeks time to file an additional affidavit to put on record the details.
Please, Lord.
The details, list after 2 weeks along with the additional affidavit.
Extremely grateful, Lord.
16. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am aggrieved with the demand of interest against me. Lordship, what has happened, like, Lordship, the Northeast interest under the
State GST or central?
central GST, Lordship.
Yes, central GST.
So it's a central excise matter.
Who's there?
Interest, demand of interest. Lordship, we had given the copy to Mr. B.N. Gogoi and Mr. Kyal is also there. Either of them could have appeared. Lordship, in fact, this court has in similar cases, Lordship, lots and lots of
We
cases.
wanted to
CDs
pass
cases
orders
are
in
there.
their presence if they are not around. Have it on Monday. But inform them.
Lordship, Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay.
Wednesday.
While Ms. Anne Haveli, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, there is no representation on behalf of the respondents. Considering the above situation, the matter is adjourned to be listed for motion on Wednesday. Please inform Mr. Kyle.
Yes, sir. I will give a copy to Mr. Gyal. I gave a copy to Mr. Gogoi.
Motion. No, my I didn't worry. Others may not be possible today. We have to rise.
Lordship, this item number 21, Lordship already heard the matter. It is the application of section 17B of the ID Act.
Yes, we remember, but we have not heard.
No, Lordship,
Any water court we can have it
I'm playing for a date, Lordship.
Wednesday?
Wednesday, Lordship.
Lordship, respondent number 3 has entered appearance in the case.
Yes.
They have filed their affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
I am appearing for the petitioner. I am playing for a bit long date to file my reply.
Mr. Mazumdar,
Yes.
your friend is making some prayer.
They have filed affidavit.
Yes, they have filed affidavit.
So, my petition is from Mumbai. Some more time.
No, is there anything said against you?
Nothing,
Some against, and they've supported my case also in some.
Then why do you need time to file reply?
They
If it is not required, we are not going to give time.
Respondent number 5,
Respondent number 3, Your Honor.
3.
they have
You
to
filed
file
the
the
affidavit.
affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor. On 1st of November, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll give you a chance, but you have to file soon because workman's matter, 17 days.
Yes, Lordship,
Okay.
understood that.
And we have made a observation that will decide the entire matter.
Lordship.
But yes, tell us,
They have not received the copy also.
I have not received copy. How can they file?
have you received copies?
Yes, I have received copy.
Give a copy to him also. Yes. Okay. It transpires that the respondent number 3 has filed the affidavit in opposition, full stop. Sri Mazumdar, the learned counsel for the respondent number.
Applicant Lordship.
No, no,
Applicant
it's a writ petition.
In the writ petition Lordship,
Respondent number
4 and 5 Lordship.
4 and 5 has however informed that copy of the affidavit of the respondent number 3 has not been served upon him. Para. Miss, what is your name, madam?
TJ Sahewala.
Miss TJ Sahara, learned counsel for the respondent 3 is directed to serve copy of the affidavit to Sri Mazumdar, the learned counsel. Para. Sri S. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for and is granted
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file the affidavit in reply. Huh? On request, list on, yes, give us a date of your consensus. Today is 7th. On 24th,
Lordship,
Monday,
Lordship.
24th November.
Lordship, in item number 20, Lordship, can a date fix on 13 or 12?
What is the matter?
Defreezing the bank account, your Lordship.
Okay.
13.
Some date will be.
Much obliged, Lordship.